Hi, I'm Sergio Plaza. I'm an Executive Vice President for Allied Steel Buildings. I'm responsible for the business operations, but also the strategy and development of what we do here at Allied. Back in April, we signed an agreement with the city to begin work on this piece of land. It didn't take long for us to mobilize a lot of equipment. And so we have been providing reports on what's happening out here. Recently, we saw the completion of the steel being installed on the first half of our assembly line. So what you see behind me represents not only the receiving warehouse to the south, but the first half of our assembly lines. We have yet another half to fulfill here to the north. That is going to begin in just a few weeks. In that time period, we'll also see the arrival of our insulated metal panel system. So the south end of our facility will begin to receive its walls and the installation of our translucent wall panel system. Next week, we will see the installation of actual bridge cranes in this part of the facility. We expect the first of our equipment to arrive in about 3 or 4 weeks, and that will be a huge milestone for us. What you see behind us in terms of milestones has been the preparation of the land, the first part of the building structure being up, the completion of the roof itself is a milestone, and then the next step being the enclosure of the facility with the wall panels. Then there's a lot of attention spent on what happens on the inside. We have many, many teams of representatives from not only the manufacturers, but other groups that are going to be part of this. This is a hub of activity, and we will continue to report on what is happening here at our facility in McGregor, Texas.